In this video, I'll show you how to use Canva as a beginner to create low-content books like journals, planners, and notebooks that you can publish on Amazon KDP. First, go to Canva and log in to your account. Click Create a Design and choose Custom Size. This part is very important because Amazon KDP requires specific book dimensions. For example, if you're making a 6x 9-inch journal, enter 6 inches for width and 9 inches for height. Make sure the measurement is set to inches, not pixels. Once your blank page opens, you're ready to design the interior. For a simple lined journal, go to Elements and search for line. Add a thin line to your page and stretch it across. Duplicate it multiple times to create evenly spaced writing lines. Use the position tool to align everything neatly. If you're creating a planner, you can add tables by searching Table in Elements. Adjust rows and columns depending on your layout, such as daily sections, goals, or checklists. Keep the design clean and minimal. Low-content books work best when they are simple and easy to write in. Use the text tool to add headers like daily planner, gratitude journal, or weekly goals. Choose clear readable fonts. Avoid decorative fonts for writing sections because users need space to write comfortably. Once you finish one page, duplicate it as many times as needed for your book. For example, if you want a 100 page journal, duplicate the page until you reach your desired total. After completing the interior, click Share and then Download. Choose PDF print for high quality output. Make sure crop marks and bleed are turned off for interior pages unless your design requires bleed. Your file will download as a print-ready PDF. This is the file you can upload to Amazon KDP as your manuscript. And that's it. That's how beginners can use Canva to create low-content books step by step and prepare them for publishing.